So this truck is a 1970 Chevrolet truck. It's a short bed. It's got my exclusive bracket kit on a GTM 900 chassis. This truck has been rebuilt to better than new. Every nut, every bolt, every part is either reconditioned or brand new. This truck is actually for sale, so if you get in on this deal now, you can pick the color, paint, you can pick interior. Some of the components we can change if you don't like them, but like these are the wheels I've picked. This is the lift kit that I've picked. It's a BDS Fox lift kit, which is high quality, ride great. It's got a brand new rebuilt 6.2 liter making 525 horsepower. It has a GM 261 manually shifted transfer case. It's got the Be Cool radiator, good for 1,000 horsepower, brushless fans. All the chassis has been powder coated. The radiator core support's been powder coated. It's a lot better durable finish than paint. It's got the BTR engine accessory drive kit. We've got the Wilwood brakes. It's got the Hydroboost brake system on it. The JBA stainless steel headers. It's also got hand TIG-welded back purged 3-inch exhaust pipe. Stainless steel's forever. It's the best material you can put on exhausts, and then TIG-welded. It doesn't get any better than that. So on this truck, we went with the MagnaFlow stainless steel series muffler. They sound great, they look great, they last forever. So for our drivelines, we went to a really high-end driveline shop called Tom Woods. And he makes the best custom drivelines for these off-road vehicles. So when you lift these trucks with a 35-inch tire, you need to upgrade the gears. We've upgraded the gears in this truck with the limited slip and 410s front and back. This truck has the BTR engine accessory drive kit. We also went with the Chevrolet valve cover. Kind of gives it that old school look. It also mounts the coils underneath of it, so it hides those coils. Let's take a look on the inside. I came up with a bracket that mounts a 2024 Silverado seat and a 2018 center console. Gives you that modern comfort of a modern seat. Also gives you cup holders, gives you some power options for phone chargers. Still capable to hold 3 people, like these trucks are meant to do. This is the fog light bracket we've designed in-house exclusively for the 71 to 72 Chevy truck bumpers. That bumper will fit on a 67 through 72 if you want to upgrade and add these lights. This mounts behind, just like the factory park light one does. We provide all the hardware. We don't provide the lights, that's up to you. And this is stainless steel, so it won't ever rust. You can buy them in raw, you can buy them in black. So if you want your classic truck to have a modern ride and you're in the market for one of these trucks, this one's for sale. Give us a call or hit us up on the email, ekinsgarage.com.